Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring one of the simplest yet most effective tools for weight loss: water. Join us as we uncover the numerous ways in which water can support your weight loss journey and improve your overall health. Water is essential for life, and it plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy body weight. Let's delve into some key ways water can aid in weight loss. First and foremost, staying hydrated is essential for optimal bodily functions, including metabolism and digestion. Drinking enough water throughout the day helps keep your metabolism revved up and supports efficient digestion, both of which are important for weight management. Furthermore, drinking water before meals can help control appetite and prevent overeating. Studies have shown that consuming water before meals can lead to reduced calorie intake, making it easier to stick to your weight loss goals. Another way water can aid in weight loss is by replacing sugary drinks like soda and juice with calorie-free water. Cutting back on liquid calories can significantly reduce your overall calorie intake, helping you shed unwanted pounds more effectively. Additionally, staying hydrated can help boost energy levels and enhance exercise performance. Proper hydration ensures that your muscles are functioning optimally during workouts, allowing you to push harder and burn more calories. Lastly, paying attention to when you drink water can also impact weight loss. Drinking water first thing in the morning can kickstart your metabolism and aid in detoxification, while sipping water throughout the day can help curb cravings and prevent mindless snacking. In conclusion, water is a powerful ally in your weight loss journey. By staying hydrated, replacing sugary drinks, timing your intake strategically, and using water to control appetite, you can harness the full potential of water to support your weight loss goals. Thank you for joining us as we explored the role of water in weight loss. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and insights. Until next time, stay hydrated and stay healthy.